Hello everyone! Welcome to Kuku's Kingdom. Today, we're going to learn about some amazing animals. Are you ready? Look, who's that? It's a lion. Lions are big and strong. They have a golden mane and sharp claws. They're the kings of the jungle. Oh, what's that? It's a monkey. Monkeys are very smart and funny. They love to climb trees and eat bananas. Wow, look at that big animal. It's an elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals. They have big ears and a long trunk. They're very gentle. Who's this cute little creature? It's a penguin. Penguins live in cold places like Antarctica. They can't fly, but they can swim very well. Look at that tall animal with a long neck. It's a giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals on Earth. They can eat leaves from very tall trees. Let's go underwater. Look at all these colorful fish. Fish live in water and breathe through their gills. They come in all shapes and sizes. We learned about lions, monkeys, elephants, penguins, giraffes, and fish today. They're all amazing animals, aren't they? That's all for today, friends. I hope you had fun learning about animals with me. See you next time.